1970 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, guys. This is a numbers 350 L46. Beautiful car with power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and a 4-speed transmission. Just a beautiful setup. Super, super clean. Paint is really, really slick on this car, along with the chrome and everything. Just a beautiful car, guys, here at MGM Classics. Odometer shows 76,000 and some change. She's ready to go. Financing is available. You will need good credit and 10% down. You can also have this car delivered. Text me your zip code. My number is area code 847-848-1850. We'll get it shipped right to your driveway.